Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Realme C31. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find screen recorder button here, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil on the top, then scroll down and find this button here in this block. So then press and hold and drag to top to add, like this button. And for saving, click back. And now press to our screen recorder, and before start recording we got record audio option. So if you tap on this option, you can change record audio, for example, from microphone, device audio, or device audio and microphone. Choose your settings from the list, and then you can activate or turn off this option here and press start. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.